Collect. What's up? It's Packy and Sloan from the hotel room this week in Coldwater, Ohio. Today we're practicing
two-handed bowling, mate.
We're practicing two-handed bowling. And we're going to show you how to practice two-handed bowling because we are two-handed bowlers trying to be on tour.
We're going to try
With a
this
capital
one more time.
T. We have 30,000 balls here so we can practice our physical game. That's what we do. Take a guess what's in the bag. Take a guess. Chris, what do we got? What are we giving it? What are we giving him?
It's not an over.
Is it a urethane fest?
But Packy's got himself a black hammer, purple hammer, and a spare ball.
Now, if I had to guess what you were throwing, I literally couldn't even come up with the names of the bowling balls.
I obviously have to practice my spares. That's what the reps keep telling me. I got the brand new Zen Master. So I'm looking forward to throwing this one a little bit. It's not shiny out the box, comes with a little bit of surface normally, but I shine my one up. I got to use it a little bit this weekend. It's what kind of got me close until I accidentally missed the cut by a pin. Like 30,
I'm
like
27.
exactly 30.
This is going to play again at night when he's the cut and I'm the first guy out.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, right? I obviously hope you make it, but like I'd also enjoy that scenario too.
Here's the deal. If I make it, we make it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, if you make it, I make it, and then he makes it.
So
we all eat, baby. Come on. So that was cool, and yeah, good ball. So I'm gonna throw a couple more shots with it today and see how we go.
If you ask us why we're practicing, it's because we combined missed the cut for 4 pins.
And we were talking about it in the vlog.
We talked about it.
Yeah.
And it didn't happen. You weren't the first one in and I wasn't the first one out, but
I was the first one out, and
I was the 4th one out.
yeah, and I got very upset. So
Well,
yeah.
that's what a total of 4 pins gets you.
Yeah.
An extra practice session. Well, the audio was super loud in the bowling alley, so we're here back at the hotel room. And the 3 things I worked on today during practice, I worked on 1, foul line stability, 2, I worked on my spine tilt, and 3, I worked on beating Brad's ass. In reality, I worked on push away was the last thing that I worked on. I'd like to thank Christopher Sloan for fixing my push away and I don't even know, foul line stability, push away, and we're cutting this so Chris can talk about his part after he practices.
I'm ready to wild out on the lanes and lose my mind. I guess today I worked on being an absolute fucking legend. A wise man once told me, sometimes you're the hammer and sometimes you're the nail. This weekend I was certainly the nail, so I worked on trying to be the hammer. I worked on engaging my legs a little bit more, my footwork, stay a little bit more consistent at the bottom, and I guess we goofed around for a little bit too, trying to do some trick shots which did not work. I got a little upset when I missed them. It was heartbreaking, but I managed to get over it. And I recovered well, and we got the practice session tomorrow, so hopefully she gets better from there.
Hey guys,
Hi.
it's 1 o'clock in the morning,
AM.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my god. Yeah, 2 o'clock.
And thanks for watching the videos, thanks for sticking along, and since it's 2 o'clock in the morning, you obviously should subscribe.
You have to make sure that you subscribe. It's actually only fair at this point.
You made it all the way. You might as well click the button. So thanks for watching.